Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Yes. Now we'll go ahead. Last time we have done the minor and cofactor, right? Yes, and complete the exercise 4.4. Now we'll go ahead with the new topic, that is adjoint of a matrix. You have already learned the matrix in chapter number 3, right? Yes. Now, what is the adjoint of the matrix and how to find the inverse of the matrix, that we will see here. Now, adjoint of a matrix matlab kya? What is its definition? Here, the adjoint of the square matrix. Keep in mind always square matrix का ही हम adjoint find करेंगे, right? 2 by 3, 3 by 1? No. So, adjoint of the square matrix Aij. This is the symbol to write the short form of the matrix. Aij, that is ith row, jth column. N cross N matrix, whether you write M cross M or N cross N, that is row and column is equal. Therefore, it is called a square matrix. So, that is the given matrix is defined. Now, adjoint of that matrix is defined as transpose of the matrix. You know transpose? Recall the matrix. Transpose, how to find it? Yes? Yes, that is rows and columns interchange. अगर रो को हम column wise लिखेंगे, then it will give us the transpose of the matrix. So here transpose of the matrix, here Aij, you know capital A हमने last lecture में देखा था that capital A is used for cofactors. Mij is the minor and capital Aij is the cofactor. My dear students, you know that, right? So that is Aij matlab whenever this matrix is given, for each and every element we will find the cofactor and जो cofactors का matrix बनता है उसका transpose of the matrix of cofactor. Aij is the cofactor of the element. So here is given matrix. 3 by 3 matrix is given, 2 by 2 matrix is given, 4 by 4 nahi aayega, that is not in our syllabus. So whether it is given 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 square matrix, what we will do? We'll just find the cofactor of all the 9 elements and then write it in transpose, that is rows and columns interchange. If we do one example, then you will get the more clear idea how to find the adjoint. आपको लगेगा that पहले सारे के सारे minor, then its cofactor and then its transpose. So hard, it is too boring, too long. No. We directly find the cofactor and then write it in the matrix and transpose एक ही साथ में लिखेंगे. अब कैसे लिखेंगे वो देखते हैं. So here you have a make a note that what is that definition, right? Okay, definition never asked in the exam, so don't worry, do not have to learn it. आपको learn नहीं करनी है, right? Okay, so first we will take to find the adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. We will find here, find adjoint of 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4, right? Okay. So first of all, we will find the cofactor and arrange it into the matrix. राइट डायरेक्ट कोफैक्टर तो कल हमने फाइंड किया ही था. डायरेक्ट कोफैक्टर कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? हाउ टू फाइंड इट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हियर एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इज, हम पहली बात ये आपको ट्रांसपोज चाहिए. सो यू विल फाइंड रो वाइज एंड आप लिखेंगे कॉलम वाइज. फिर से go through the row wise and write here column wise. Row wise find करेंगे, column wise लिखेंगे, that is the transpose. ये transpose का तो solution मिल गया. हम ऐसे find करेंगे और इस तरह लिखेंगे. Find row wise, write column wise. That is transpose. a cofactor for the 2 by 2 matrix. We know how to find it. So here it is first row, first column. Here A11. So hide that row in column, it is 4. And minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. So minus 1 square. So that sign will not change. You know that. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into its minor, that is 4. So that is a square and therefore 4 is here. Now this element, we go through the row wise. Keep in mind, this is minus 1 raised to. This is first row, second column. First row, second column. Hide that, the minor 1. But here it is minus 1 cube. So it is minus 1. So change the sign. It is minus 1. हमने क्या किया? रो वाइज गए, कॉलम वाइज लिखा. तो ट्रांसपोज ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा. हमें ट्रांसपोज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You understand this? Okay. Now this one is minus 1 raised to second row, first column. Second row, first column. हाइड करोगे मिलेगा 3. That is minus 1 raised to 3. Again you have to change the sign. This is minus 3. Here minus 1 raised to. This is second row, second column. हाइड करोगे मिलेगा 2. Minus 1 raised to 4 becomes positive. Therefore it remains same. ये हो गया एक जॉइंट. कोफैक्टर फाइंड करना तो आपको आता ही है. You just find the cofactor row wise and write it in the column wise. It gives you the adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. You understand this? फिर से बोल रही हूँ. Keep in mind, find it row wise, write it column wise. Another thing is that कि आपको एक याद रखने वाली चीज ये है. इफ यू वांट टू डू इट फास्टर, तो ये याद रखो कि ये दोनों प्लेस पे साइन चेंज होती है. देखो हियर एंड हियर, ये प्लेस पे नहीं होती है, तो हमें ये चेक करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. सो इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड, सपोज adjoint of A is equal to 2, 5, minus 1, 0. Now what you will do? We will write adjoint of A is equal to. Find row wise, write column wise. Keep in mind. Or which are the two places where you have to change the sign? This is the two places, here and here. So now 2 उसका cofactor होगा 0. Then second 5 का cofactor है minus 1. But go row wise, write column wise, and here you have to change the sign. So अगर ये minus 1 है तो we'll write 1. This one 5. But you have to change the sign over here. So it is, if you write this one, it is minus 5. And अगर ये लिखा 2, हो गया. कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 2 by 2 का एडजॉइंट 1 मार्क्स में पूछा जाता है. अनदर थिंग, अगर आपको देखना है कि एडजॉइंट फाइंड करना 2 by 2 के लिए और भी इजी क्या है. एक तो ये दोनों प्लेस पे साइन चेंज होती है. मेक श्योर दैट. अनदर थिंग इज, आप क्वेश्चन में देखिए 2 और 4 इंटरचेंज हुए हैं. -3 एंड 1 अपनी ही जगह पे है, बट साइन चेंज हुई है. देख लीजिए. सो दिस इज अ टेक्निक. क्योंकि ये 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन है, तो व्हाई वी वेस्ट दिस टाइम इन डूइंग दिस ऑल, राइट? सो हाउ टू फाइंड? सपोज यू वांट टू फाइंड
क्रेडिटर्स में
adjoint of A of -2, 5, 0, 3. अगर आपको फाइंड करना है, सो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस adjoint of A? क्या करना है? यहाँ पे the principal diagonal interchange its place, so that 3 minus 2, and this secondary diagonal just change the sign, that is -5, 0. और इजी हो गया. You understand how to find this adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix? तो ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Suppose find the adjoint of A -1 3 -4 2. Now how to find it? So we can write the direct answer now. Here adjoint of A. What you will do? Principal diagonal, interchange the place. That is 2 -1. -1 2 की जगह पे 2 -1. And here you just change the sign. My 3 है -3, -4 है 4. So can you write it directly? Yes. This is a technique. जैसे हमने एक आंसर देख के बनाई है. This is not the exact method. Exact method तो यही है. You hide this right here. You hide this right here. Go through the row wise. Write down the column wise. पर 1 mark question है. Just interchange the principal diagonal and change the sign of secondary diagonal. That's it. So ये हो गया adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. Now we will find the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. It is also easy, my dear student. You just concentrate that how I am doing. आपको पता चल जाएगा, right? So all these examples you have to write. आप अपने आप करने की ट्राई कीजिए. It will practice a lot. Now, if you want to find the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix, then find adjoint of 2 3 1 1 4 3 0 2 1. Okay, so here we will find the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. Now how to find? Again the same rule is here. Go through the row wise, write down the column wise. We will find the cofactor row wise and write down each column wise. ये तो same ही रहेगा in the adjoint. So now here also make a practice to write down directly. अब डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखने के लिए we will write that cofactor of this all right. Then arrange it in this row and column wise. Understand? Okay. Now you want to find the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. First principle, first rule. Keep in mind. Go through row wise. Write down column wise. Okay. Now these are the 4 places where we have to change the sign. Because when we write the cofactor, this is first row, second column. First row, second column. And therefore, first row and second column है तो -1 raised to 1 plus 2 आएगा. That is -1 raised to 3. And therefore, यहाँ पे sign change होगी. इसी तरह, second row, first column -1 raised to 3. Second row, third column -1 raised to 5. Third row, second column -1 raised to 5. Therefore, ये 4 places आपको याद रखनी है जहां पे आप साइन चेंज करेंगे. Understand? Yes. Now we'll start. First का cofactor. Cofactor of this 2. How to find it? Hide this and cross multiply the remaining. 4 1s are 4 minus 3 2s are 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Right? Okay. Now second. Hide this and cross multiply. 1 minus 0 is 1. But this is the place where we have to change the sign. It is 1 minus 0, 1 and change the sign -1. But we'll go through row wise, write down column wise. Now this third. What we will do? Hide this. 2 1s are 2 minus 0. It is 2. Second row start करेंगे और second column बनाएंगे. So, second row, that is hide this. What is it? अगर ये और ये hide किया तो 3 minus 2, 1. but this is the place where we have to change the sign. Minus 1. Again, second row, second column hide. 2 minus 0. 2. This one, here you hide 4 minus 0, but place where we have to change the sign. Then third row start करेंगे, third column बनेगा. Here hide this. Hide करेंगे 9 minus 4. What is it? 5. For this, hide this column and row. 2 3s are 6 minus 1, 5. But this is the place where we have to change the sign. It is, what is it? 6 minus 1, 5. But it is minus 5. Again, for this, hide this row and column. 8 minus 3, that is 5. Yes, my dear student, bolo easy hai? Yes, we just keep something in the mind. We just go through the row wise and make it the column, therefore it becomes the transpose. Another thing is, ये 4 places याद रखो जहाँ पे आपको change करनी है sign and write down easily, right? Yes. Okay. Again, find adjoint of 1 0 0 0 5 2 3 minus 1 3. Now, if you want to find this adjoint, so adjoint of A. Again, go through row wise, write down column wise. Understand? Yes. Here first, hide this. 15 minus minus plus 2, it is 17. This is the place where we have to change the sign. Always pencil से box बना दो, so keep in mind. Second, so first row and second column hide 0 minus 6. It is minus 6, but we have to change the sign, therefore it is 6. And then here it is 6. Now third, hide this 0 minus 15. It is minus 15. Your first row is over, your first column is over. Now start this second row. So that is first column, second row hide. 0 minus 0 becomes 0. Here is the place where we have to change the sign, but 0 की कोई sign नहीं है. Second row, second column. 3 minus 0, 3. Here, second row, third column hide. Minus 1. But here you have to change the sign. Second row is over. Now start the third row. Third row, first column, 0, 0, 0. Here second column, 2 minus 0 is 2. But here you have to change the sign. This is 5 minus 0. 5. You understand how to find this adjoint? Yes? Okay. So now you will find the adjoint of 3 by 3 easily. Right? Yes. So, can you find the adjoint of? Here is, do it yourself. Find adjoint of A. 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 5, 1, 0. Right? So, can you do it yourself now? Yes, this is for your practice. So, how to find the adjoint of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3? 2 by 2 matrix के लिए तो it is very easy, you know. You just interchange the principal diagonal and just change the sign of secondary diagonal only. Now, for the 3 by 3 matrix, go through row wise, write down column wise. These are the 4 places where you change the sign and make practice to write it directly. Because it is very time consuming when we write this whole 9 cofactors and arrange it in that column wise. So there is no need to do all. Make a practice of it. It is very easy. You can do it directly. Right? Now we will write make some notes and theorems for the adjoint. Some result for the adjoint जो कि 1 mark question में आता है. So for that, you just make a note of this. Do this of your own. Then we will write the theorems for the adjoint. Right? Okay. Now, notes. These are some theorems about the adjoint, but theorems never asked in the exam. हमें वो याद रखने पड़ेंगे because 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन में हमें ये चाहिए. So that first, here A be any given matrix. Suppose A is any given matrix of order n. That means what? It is order n cross n because it is a square matrix. We are talking about adjoint. Adjoint is possible only for the square matrix, that you keep in mind. Okay. Then A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A. अगर आप A एंड adjoint का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे या तो adjoint of A into A करेंगे, you will get determinant of A into I. I is what you know? What is I? It is identity matrix. 1, 1, 1 is the principal diagonal. You know that identity matrix, right? Okay. So, whenever any matrix multiply with its adjoint, you know the matrix multiplication. Right? Yes. So, जब ये दोनों का multiplication होगा, you will get this determinant of A into I. I is what? Identity matrix. You understand this? Yes. Now, the second thing is that if A is any square matrix and determinant of A is 0. Suppose you find the determinant. Now, I have already told you how to find the determinant of any matrix. अगर मैट्रिक्स को आप डिटर्मिनेंट के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं एंड इफ यू एक्सपांड, नाउ यू नो हाउ टू एक्सपांड द डिटर्मिनेंट. अगर करते हैं और वो 0 मिलता है, then A is called singular matrix. Right? Then A is called singular matrix. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. For example, if you find the determinant of it, matrix का मैंने determinant find किया, that is 1, 2, 4, 8. This is called determinant of this given matrix. Right? We have to convert this determinant into given matrix. That is, if you expand, matrix will not expand it. Matrix की value find नहीं होती. पर अगर उसे हम determinant के form में लिखते हैं, then we can find its value. So, 8 1s are 8 minus 4 2s are 8, 0. अगर for this matrix it is 2 by 2 matrix, second order determinant में convert किया, then determinant of A 0 मिला, therefore it is singular matrix. You understand this? Yes? Okay. If third, determinant of A is not 0, then A is called non-singular matrix. अगर determinant is not 0, then it is called non-singular. अगर determinant 0, then it is called singular matrix. For that, make a note that if A is non-singular square matrix, then only its inverse exists. अगर वो singular matrix है, that is determinant is 0, तो उसका inverse exist नहीं है. So for the existence of the inverse of matrix, What is the right condition? What is the necessary condition is it should be non-singular. So whenever you want to find the inverse of any matrix, what you have to do? You have to check whether it is singular or non-singular. That means you have to find its determinant. अगर determinant equal to 0 हो गया, inverse does not exist. अगर determinant is not equal to 0, then only you can find its inverse. You understand this? How to find this singular or non-singular? Okay. Now, another thing is, if A and B are non-singular matrix, or you can say matrices, then if you multiply AB or BA are also non-singular. अगर A and B non-singular है, then its product is also non-singular. You understand this? Yes. And more important thing is that you can write like this. अगर मॉड्यूलस में हम मैट्रिक्स को अलग अलग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, yes or no? Yes. And here determinant of adjoint of A. Determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of n minus A. This is not a modulus, keep in mind. Right? This is determinant of A into B. A and B are two square matrix. If you find the product of AB and take its determinant, then determinant of A into determinant of B होगा. Same way, adjoint of A find किया, take its determinant. A का determinant raised to the power n minus 1. That result you have to keep in mind. Yes? And seventh and the most important formula for today is A is any square matrix, then A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is the formula to find the inverse of the matrix. That means what? Inverse find करना है तो पहले इसका डिटर्मिनेंट एंड एडजॉइंट फाइंड करना होगा. हाउ टू फाइंड द एडजॉइंट, उसकी प्रैक्टिस अभी होगी है हमने, और मोर प्रैक्टिस विल डू इन दैट. बट डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए अगर 0 हो गया तो डिटर्मिनेंट 0 मतलब 1 अपॉन 0 होगा. इसीलिए द नेसेसरी कंडीशन टू फाइंड द इनवर्स इज द डिटर्मिनेंट शुड नॉट बी 0. अगर डिटर्मिनेंट 0 है तो वो सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स होगा, एंड सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स डू नॉट हैव इट्स इनवर्स. Therefore, necessary condition है determinant of A should not be 0. You keep in mind this. This is the formula by which we'll find the inverse of any matrix. Right? ये हमें आज करना है. So that here is the, these are some notes which helps you in 1 mark question. आपको 1 mark questions में ये notes काम में आएगी. Right? Okay. Now, example 24. If A is 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4 is the matrix, then verify that A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. Also find its inverse. Right? So first of all, we have to verify A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. तो सबसे पहले तो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए फाइंड करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इनवर्स भी फाइंड करना है. सो वी हैव टू चेक वेदर इट इज सिंगुलर और नॉन सिंगुलर. दैट इज द नेसेसरी कंडीशन. ओके, सो वी विल फाइंड दैट डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए. फर्स्ट यू राइट दैट इन द डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म and find its value, that is expand. 1, hide this, 16 minus 9, minus 3, hide this, 4 ones are 4 minus 3, plus 3, 3 minus 4. 16 minus 9, 7, 4 minus 3, 1, that is minus 3. Here again minus 3. 7 minus 3 minus 3. What is it? Not equal to 0. अगर determinant is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Determinant 0 हो गया, then stop it here only. That inverse does not exist. Right? Yes. Now we will find adjoint of A. So here मैंने आपको सिखाया है how to find the adjoint directly. Which are the places where you have to change the sign. Go row wise, make column wise. Right? Yes. First one, hide this. हम इसे hide करेंगे. 16 minus 9. Yes, 7. Second, hide this. 4 minus 3, 1. But you have to change the sign at this place. Minus 1. 3. Hide this. 3 minus 4. Minus 1. Your first row complete. Your first column complete. Now go through the second row and make here second column. So, 1. Hide this. 12 minus 9. 3. But this is the place where you have to change the sign. Second row, second column. 4 minus 3, 1. Second row, third column. 3 minus 3, 0. Here is the place you have to change the sign, but 0 hai. It's okay. Now third row. Hide this. 3 minus 12. 3 3s are 9 minus 12, sorry, minus 3. Second row, second column, 3 minus 3, 0. Third row, third column, 4 minus 3, 1. So this is our adjoint, right? Check it out, बोलो adjoint ये मिल रहा है? Yes, do it yourself now. Okay, here we have to verify, that is A into adjoint of A. So here we will write A into adjoint of A is equal to A is 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4 into its adjoint 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. You know the product of two matrix? It is a matrix product. Yes? Okay. जो आपने चैप्टर नंबर 3 में ऑलरेडी किया है, right? So here 7 minus 3 minus 3. Should I write or directly? Okay. Here we'll write it directly. चलो 1. Now 7 minus 4 minus 3 0. 7 minus 3 minus 4 0. Minus 3 plus 3 0. Minus 3 plus 4 1. Minus 3 plus 3 0 0. Minus 3, right? 0 3. Minus 3 plus 3 0. Minus 3 0 plus 3 0. Minus 3, 0, 4, 1. So what is it? Yes, it is determinant of A into I. This is our identity matrix. So can you write that is determinant of A into I, because determinant of A की value 1 है. So we can write it 1 into I. So this is our square matrix into. So we'll write this, that is 1 into I. Okay. Determinant of A की value हमने find की है. What is it? 1. So you will write that here 1 into I, because this is I. You will write here 1 into I. Yes? Yes. So that means ये हमने find कर लिया. That is determinant of A into I. Suppose कि determinants यहाँ पे 3, 4 ऐसा कुछ होता, तो here you will get 3, 3, 3. That you can take it common from 3. So it is 3 into I you will get. You understand this? Yes. पर यहाँ पे तो 1 ही है, तो हमें 1, 1, 1 मिला. So here 1 into I, determinant of A into I लिख सकते हैं. So that is proved. Now we want to find A inverse. You know what is the formula of A inverse that we have already written? Okay. So A inverse की formula है 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to 1 upon determinant of A is 1. Adjoint of A will write 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. ये तो 1 upon 1 ही है, that means it remains same and therefore A inverse. अगर यहाँ पे कोई फ्रैक्शन होता तो वो हम अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करते. 7 minus 3 1 0 minus 0 1. This is our inverse. You understand how to find the inverse? पहले determinant find करेंगे, फिर adjoint find करेंगे, फिर दोनों का multiplication करेंगे. That is the easiest way to find the inverse, right? This is our example 24. Now, example 25. If A is 2, 3, 1 minus 4, B is 1 minus 2 minus 1 3, verify AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Easy. First you will find AB, then its inverse is number 1. B inverse A inverse, product number 2. So first of all हम AB find करेंगे. That is the product of these two matrices. Minus 3 minus 4 plus 9 1 plus 4 minus 2 minus 12. This is our AB. Yes? Okay. Now we will find determinant of AB, because if it is a singular matrix then we cannot find its inverse. तो पहले तो singular है कि नहीं चेक करो, right? Okay. -1 5 5 minus 14 14 minus 25. What is it? -11, which is not equal to 0, right? Yes or no? And therefore that AB is non-singular matrix. Therefore AB inverse exists है. Now we will find adjoint of AB. So how to find it? मैंने आपको 2/2 में easiest way बताया था. We'll just change this and change the sign of this. So that is -14 minus 1 place change करेंगे और ये दोनों की sign change करेंगे. This is our adjoint. It is easier. Now we will find AB inverse 1 upon determinant of AB into एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए बी. जिसका भी इनवर्स फाइंड करना है ये इसकी फॉर्मूला है, राइट. सो 1 upon -11. Here -14, -5, -5, -1. Take out minus common from that AB. So you will get the answer is 1 upon 11, 14, 5, 5, 1. This is AB inverse number 1. Now we'll go ahead that we will find B inverse A inverse and then its product. First of all B inverse अगर find करना है तो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ B फाइंड करो. 1 -2 -1 3 3 -2 1. नाउ एडजॉइंट ऑफ B फाइंड करो. सो इंटरचेंज दिस प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल, चेंज द साइन ऑफ subsidiary diagonal. Now B inverse 1 upon this into adjoint of B. So 1 upon 1 वो तो 1 ही होगा and adjoint 3 2 1 1. That's it. Now we will find determinant of it. 2 3 1 minus -8 -3 -11. Now adjoint of A. We'll just interchange this. Change the sign. This is adjoint. Now we will write A inverse. 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. This determinant is -11. It is not equal to 0. Keep in mind, huh? Yes. And that is adjoint है -4 -1 -1 2. This is right. Okay. Now we will find B inverse into A inverse. Find करेंगे. So B inverse is here 3 2 1 1 into A inverse is ये मैंने आगे ले लिया. Here 4 -3 -1 2 is equal to -12 -2 -40 -9 -4 -9 plus 4 that is -5 -4 -1 -5 -3 plus 2 -1. Take out common minus. 1 upon 11 14 5 5 1. This is number 2. So can you say that from 1 and 2 what is it? AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Yes or no? Yes. And that's proved. So पहले हम प्रोडक्ट करेंगे फिर इनवर्स, फिर दोनों का इनवर्स फाइंड करेंगे, then product. Both is equal. So it is verified for the 2 by 2 matrix. This is example 25. Now example 26. Show that 2 3 1 2 satisfy a square minus 4a plus I equal to 0 where I is 2 cross 2 identity matrix and O is 0 matrix. Using it, find A inverse. Okay, so now A is given. First we will find A square. 2, 3, 1, 2 into 2, 3, 1, 2. It is 2 plus 3. No, 4 plus 3. 7. 12. 4. Yes. And 7. You know how to find A into A, that is the product. Right? Okay. Now, A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 4, 12, 4, 7 minus 4 into 2, 3, 1, 2 plus identity matrix of order 2 is equal to 4, 12, 4, 7 minus 4 अंदर multiply करो 8, 12, 4, 8 plus 0, 1. So, what is it? Oh, sorry, it is 7, not 4. So, 7 minus 8 plus 1, 12 minus 12 plus 0, 4 minus 4, 7 minus 8 plus 1 is equal to 7 plus 1, 8 minus 8, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 and 0. So, you will get A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0 matrix. You will get this? Yes. From this equation, you have to find the inverse. हमें इसके ऊपर से inverse find करना है. That is very much important. इसका use करके inverse find करो. तो A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0 दिया है, right? Now, we will multiply A inverse on both the side. हम A inverse into A square. दोनों तरफ A inverse find कर रहे हैं. Like this, ऐसे लिखो. A square A inverse. 4A A inverse plus I into A inverse equal to 0. सभी टर्म्स को मैंने A inverse से मल्टीप्लाई किया. तो क्या बचेगा? Here it is A inverse. 4A inverse plus identity into A inverse equal to 0. Now A into A inverse क्या हो जाता है? Identity. A into A inverse क्या मिलता है? Identity. So A into identity. ये 4 identity प्लस अगर किसी को A आइडेंटिटी से मल्टीप्लाई करे तो क्या मिल जाता है? A inverse equal to 0. So you know that ये A inverse is equal to, now this is 4 into I, इस तरफ गया पॉजिटिव, A into I is A minus Q. Therefore A inverse 4 1 0 0 1 minus A, it is 4 0 0 4 2 3 1 2. 4 minus 2 2. 0 minus 3 0 minus 1 4 minus 2. So this is our A inverse. What we have done, अगर इसका यूज करके इनवर्स फाइंड करना है, so you just multiply A inverse in each and every term, where A into A inverse is identity. I into A inverse, A inverse. Identity के साथ कुछ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, सेम रहेगा. A into A inverse identity हो गया, 1A remaining. तो A inverse, ये दोनों को इस तरफ ले आओ, 4I minus A. And find out the A inverse. अगर ये इक्वेशन का यूज करके बोला है तो आपको ये मेथड करनी होगी. You understand this? Now you know how to find A inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, adjoint and everything. You know how to know it. So that we have done these examples, we'll do much more practice in the exercise 4.5 in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye. We will meet in the next video and do the more practice for this.